Okay, this is problem number 5, which asks us to solve the system by graphing. These are our two equations. Y is equal to 2x minus 3, and y is equal to negative 5x plus 4. To solve a system by graphing means drawing the two different linear equations on the same graph. And we do this just like we did with the other problem, by putting the equations into the slope-intercept form. That's the form they're in right now. And then finding the y-intercept. Once we find the y-intercept, we can use that coordinate as a starting point to find the second location on the same line by moving according to the rise and run of the line's slope. 2 points to the final line, so starting with the y-intercept, we can move through the slope of the line to a second point and then connect the two coordinates and extend the line as much as we need. So we would then repeat this procedure for the second linear equation, where the lines intersect is the solution for the system. But don't rely on your drawing to tell you the correct solution. Solving the same system algebraically, either by elimination or substitution, is the only way to verify that your answer is correct. You may end up drawing this just slightly off. Okay, so let's do this right now. First one, y is equal to 2x minus 3. Now that's a positive slope. Slope here is positive 2. The y-intercept is negative 3. So we'll do that line. Go down 1, 2 to negative 3. There's the y-intercept for this. And we'll go up 2 and over 1, because the slope is 2. 1, 2, and over 1. Put this here, at this point at 1, negative 1. 2 points to find a line, so we can draw it right now like this. Okay, that's our first line. That's y is equal to 2x minus 3. Second line has a negative slope, and it's a negative slope of 5. Y-intercept is positive 4. So here's the y-intercept, and the slope is down 5 and over 1. Going from 4 down 5, we go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and over 1 to right here, which is our point of intersection. So let's draw the line like this. Okay. And our intersection appears to be at 1, negative 1. The only way to be sure is to solve it algebraically. So let's just do that real quickly. But this is the answer when we're asked to solve it graphically. I want to be able to say for certain, though, that this point here is 1, negative 1. Okay. Same thing as before. Let's see. Should we do substitution or elimination? Why don't we do elimination? It's a little bit faster. Common thing here would be for the x's will go to 10. All right. First, we'll restate this as 2x minus 3 minus y equals 0. And the second equation is going to be negative 5x plus 4 minus y equals 0. Usually you put the variables next to each other, but we don't really need to at the moment. We'll multiply this top one. We want to get a 10x there and a negative 10x here, so we'll multiply the top line here by 5 and the bottom one here by 2. For the first one, what we get, okay, so we'll multiply the top by 5 and the bottom one by 2. So we get a positive 10x and a negative 10x. Rewriting the first equation, we get 10x minus 15 minus 5y is equal to 0. And the bottom, we get negative 10x plus 8 minus 2y is equal to 0. Add these together. The x's cancel out. We get negative 15 plus 8 is negative 7. Negative 5y minus 2y is negative 7y is equal to 0. Looking pretty good here. Okay, let's bring the y to the other side. So we'll add 7y to both sides. negative 7 is equal to 7y. Divide both sides by 7 and we'll get negative 1 is equal to y. Okay, so we have verified that the negative 1 is the y value for this. Now we need to find the x. I'm going to use a clean board here in this case. And we're going to substitute. We have y is equal to negative 1. And we're going to substitute it into our first equation. And that equation was y is equal to 2x minus 3. Substituting in negative 1, we get negative 1 is equal to 2x minus 3. Add 3 to both sides. And we get, what do we get here? We get a positive 2 is equal to 2x, and these 3's cancel out. Divide both sides by 2, and we get 1 is equal to x. And that should be what we had. Yes, there's our x value. So now we have double-checked and shown that the x is equal to 1 and the y is equal to the negative 1. Properly stated, we have 1, negative 1.